Today we will talk about how can you turn off friend requests accepted on your Roblox app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that. So all you have to do, just go down here, you click here on this sign down here, and it's going to check here in this window. And all you have to do now, you just go down here and you click here on settings. Then it's going to check here in this window. Then all you have to do now, just click here on notifications, and it's going to take you to notifications window. So then you just hold on a second to open video this here, and you click here on Roblox platform, and it's going to take you in this window. Then you just go down, you click here on friends and groups here, and you go down here. Then you come here to friend request accepted here, you click here on no here, and like you see now it's on off friend request accepted. So that's all you have to do. I wish now I get it. That's all. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.